All right, y'all, we are out here. First cast. Oh, come here, come here. We done got ourselves a little white bass. He ain't gonna be 15 inches. They gotta be 14 inches to keep. Boy, that'd be good eating though. Oh well. Jeremy's with us. Hey, now that ain't, I'll take that. That ain't bad. First cast. And all right, now listen, I ain't even gonna lie, the wind's more than terrible out here. If you can hear me, great. If you can't, well, I'm sorry. But first cast, white bass. Could have been a fluke, but we shall see. We need fish. If I'd have known this and how muddy the water was, we may have went to Palmerville, but oh, there's a bite, there's a bite, there's a bite. Dang it. We're doing pretty good on Palmerville. I had a little.
Is that its own lake?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's got its own boat landing and everything. Dang it, guys, got a bunch of crap on here. Yeah, it's its own lake. There's a pipe there's a pipe on down around the railroad tracks that feeds this water into that water.
Okay. I wonder because I've only been on Palmerville once and we had a rescue call out there. That was the only time I've ever been. So
but you can, where this is as muddy as it is, you can go out to that lake and it'll be fairly clear. But I'd have a little bit more confidence. God, see, there's that stick. What we got here? Another white bass. All right. Jeremy, it looks like we're gonna be catching a bunch of white bass today, buddy. Or, God, come here. Well, he wasn't coming off. Well, there's another white bass. Ain't too bad. Kaboom! Because normally where you can catch one of them white bass, there's going to be there's going to be a decent school in there. Like I said, I mean, I'm good with catching a bunch of white bass today. Don't bother me none. There he is. Ah, it's a brum. I was hoping that was gonna be another darn white bass. He hit it like that white bass though. White bass. On to bigger and better things. All right, I think that's a. Oh, that's a good white bass right there. I'm hung up too. That's a dandy. We need them bigger than that.
At least a bite.
Yeah, now I just gotta get unhung here. Oh, I'm under the boat. I'm under the boat. Oh, that ain't good. All right, we can fix that. We can fix this. See if we can get this thing now. Oh. Oh, come on, get off of there. Come on, yeah. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Alright, let's get back to fishing. Alright, so what we have done, we have made a move back from that nook we was at to a longer stretch of a nook here. So if the wind's blowing, I'm sorry. It's just, I ain't got a microphone. We've got to deal with it. Last couple times I've been back here, there's been a lot of schooling white bass and caught some crappie. So I'm gonna go back in here, I'm gonna watch the graph, see if I can't find a school of shad, see if I can't find the school of white bass sitting up under their striper, Love to get on some striper, but I've never really caught a striper, don't really know how to, but I'm gonna learn how. So there's another cutback. If you look, it's right over here. It kind of turns back around. There's a shallow point, and then a deep one. So we're gonna play around there and see if we can't find some of these white bass. Well, we're having a pretty tough time. That spot we were just at, couldn't find nothing. Couldn't even mark bait. So we're back here, back in this spot where we had caught some of the other white bass. Maybe it's getting later in the evening. I just talked to somebody, they caught some shad back in here, so maybe we can get back in here and catch some more white bass. We're gonna beat the banks a little bit. No, that's just something swimming across. I thought something was jumping there, something swimming across water over there. I don't know, we're gonna see if we can do anything here. Let's see. So what we've been catching a lot of these fish on so far this year is this little curly tail. I don't know, it might be a little, it's not real dark, but anyways, it's got a black body, the chartreuse tail. We've been using either a black or white jig head, and then it's got like a red flake in there. I tell you what, we've been, if y'all still fishing for crappie or whatever, try this color. We have been working on them here lately. White bass, crappie. Yeah, we've even caught some regular bass, largemouth, but we back here in this little spot now, and we're gonna try to hopefully catch some more. The water didn't look like chocolate milk. We'll probably do a little bit better. And here comes the train. So now if I say something, you definitely ain't gonna hear me. But with it, I don't know, with it getting later in the evening, I don't know, maybe we can pick up some crappie. We're kind of out of the wind a little bit. Finally got out of the wind, but the train comes. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. We ain't trying to fish or nothing, or talk to a camera. Look at that crappie. Look at that crappie. Here we have been trying to do this. Ain't nothing wrong with that. He gonna start wiggling. You gonna get them treble hooks in your finger.
Don't bring it up.
First crappie of the day. That's a dandy right there, boy. I thought you had a bass or another white bass. Gone. Ain't nothing wrong with that though. All right.
Appreciate it.
All right. Okay. I told you this last hour of daylight. Yeah, exactly. Here we've been throwing jigs, and we're just gonna start. All right. So, well, while I'm at it, water stain. Back at throwing this little crankbait. He was the one he just caught that one on was like a, I guess you could say a shad color, something like that. Because I was beginning to think we weren't going to be catching nothing, and I hear him back there. Whoop, got one. That was his first cast with it too. Oh, I ain't got much daylight left. We gonna end the day on that little crappie. We sat here and we beat the bank all up through here. Couldn't do nothing. The water's chocolate milk. It was a little bit of a rough day. The wind was howling, but we made something out of it. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you next time.